Hey there, Mr. Nano here with the Children's Garden at the Dallas Arboretum. And I'm here today to talk about our Monster Molecule Mist Lab. We're only going to be rolling it out for a limited time close to Halloween. So make sure you guys stay up to date on when we'll be doing this awesome activity. The main focus of this lab is the stuff I'm holding in my hand right here. You might be familiar with it. The common name is dry ice. Now, what is dry ice? It's actually frozen carbon dioxide, CO2. So you may have learned in class that there are three main states or phases of matter that we're mostly familiar with. One is the solid, which would be like frozen water at 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And then also when water warms up a little bit, those molecules become a little more active and they go into the liquid phase. And then after a while, especially if temperatures are warmer, you'll actually have water molecules move into the gas phase. And the interesting thing about this stuff, as opposed to water, this carbon dioxide, is that it skips the liquid phase at normal atmospheric pressure. This goes straight from a solid to a gas. And you can see that happening right now in my hand. Now, one thing you'll notice is that I am wearing gloves. And why am I doing that? Because frozen carbon dioxide is actually at negative 109 degrees Fahrenheit. That's cold enough to burn your skin. So, of course, I'm wearing these gloves as a safety measure. Now, you see that this is happening right now. It's changing from that solid phase to a gas. You can see it coming off there. And that process is called sublimation. Now, I'm going to add it to this container here so we can explore this a little more. Now, one way I can speed this process up is to add some warm water. So we're going to do that. Awesome. So yeah, wow, we got a lot of sublimation going on here, changing from a solid to a gas, and there's a whole lot of that stuff coming out now. Kind of smells like a Sprite or a soda because it's the same stuff. And you'll notice that it's falling off here. Carbon dioxide is heavier than air, so you can actually, I can almost pour it like a liquid. All right, so that is amazing. You see the bubbles coming off the bottom there. Now let's try one more thing to make this monster mist really cool. I've got a little dish soap. Now we have gas, we have soap, so what do you think is going to be made? Let's try it out. Add a little bit of that in there. And whoa, awesome. Check it out, guys. We got huge bubbles here. And each one of them full of that carbon dioxide gas there. You can actually pop them there. It's pretty amazing, pretty crazy. So yeah, before I get covered in bubbles, I'll let you guys know before I go to come down here to the plant lab. Close to the week of Halloween, we're going to be running this monster molecule mist. You'll learn about dry ice, phases of matter, and how sublimation works. So hope to see you soon.